Well, let me just provide a rundown of the different entities as listed by the chairman, starting with His Excellency the Governor General and staff. The budget for the new fiscal year is 752.2 million. For the Houses of Parliament, it's 2.568 billion. For the Office of the Public Defender, it's 394.8 million. For the Office of the Auditor General, the budget there is 1.6 billion. For the Office of the Services Commission, and you know that there are 4 services commission there, that budget is 618.6 million. Office of the Children's Advocate has a budget of 596.3 million. The Independent Commission of Investigations has a budget of 1.467 billion. The Integrity Commission has a budget of 1.9 billion. The Independent Fiscal Commission has a budget of 412.4 million. Then we get to the Office of the Prime Minister. The budget there is 67.575 billion. The departments in the Office of the Prime Minister are the Post and Telecommunications Department with a budget of 4.548 billion. NERA, which is the National Identification and Registration Authority, has a budget of 1.5 billion. Office of the Cabinet has a budget of 517.864 million. MIND, which is the Management Institute for National Development, has part of its budget from the Ministry of Finance of 358.946 million, but it also gets a part of it, AIA, primarily from fees that are paid. And with that, Mr. Chair, I'll open it up to questions.
Member Warmington.
Mr. Chairman, through you, the 2000, I think not 2000, the 5,000 Office of the Auditor General. When will the audit report on the Office of the Auditor General be laid in this House? It's a perennial question. I keep on asking it each year. The last time was laid with Minister Clark, the first time since I've been in this House from 1980, come back 2002, and I've been asking all ministers of finance, and for once it was laid by Minister Clark. I was told last year that it would be laid that year, that financial year. We are not going to a new financial year, and I haven't seen it laid in Parliament. I asked the question repeatedly before, who audits the Auditor General? Then it reached the point I asked, when are we going to get that audit report in that department? I see that this year, the department is getting $1.6 billion. And every department or agency or ministry that receives taxpayers' funding is obliged and must be audited, and that report laid in this House. Where or when will we see a current audited financial statement or audit report on that department? Madam Minister?
By April of this year, we are expected to complete that report.
Did you turn my mic off? It's come back on now. No, Madam Minister, you said by April this year the audit will be completed. I got almost a similar question last year. The question I asked, when will we see the auditor financial statement that is required laid in this House? I got the same answer last year, and I haven't seen it throughout the entire year. I'm asking now, when will we see the audited report?
So, member, I am advised that the audit has been completed, and so it should be presented in the House by April.
Oh, different business now. Thank you.
Member Brown.
Thank you very much.
Year outstanding. There are several years outstanding. For what year? Which are the periods will be? Can you tell me?
I'll get that answer for you before the
Oh, thank
session
you. Thank you.
closes.